Today we're going to share a simple yet amazing remedy that can help seniors regain leg strength. This method is so easy that it doesn't require a gym or heavy exercise. Just one spoonful every night, and within a few weeks you will start noticing a difference. Many seniors struggle with walking, standing, or even performing small daily tasks. Simple activities like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or going to the market can feel exhausting. Over time, muscles weaken, blood circulation slows down, and energy levels drop. But this simple remedy can address many of these issues naturally and effectively. This remedy provides essential nutrients that help strengthen muscles, improve blood flow, and support muscle repair while you sleep. All it takes is 1 spoon of a special drink or supplement before bedtime. Not only does this remedy increase leg strength, but it also makes walking and standing much easier. With consistent use, muscles become stronger and more flexible. Fatigue reduces and daily activities become less tiring. Many seniors notice a significant improvement in their energy levels and regain their independence within just a few weeks. The best part is that this remedy can be prepared easily at home and incorporated into a simple nighttime routine. Consistency is key. Taking it every night helps maximize its benefits. Even this small step can lead to big results. Share this remedy with your parents, grandparents, or any elderly loved ones. Just 1 spoonful each night can help restore strength, make everyday tasks easier, and bring back a sense of independence. Muscles will become stronger, energy will increase, and life will feel more enjoyable and manageable. This is truly a small action with powerful results. With patience and regular use, you can see noticeable changes within a few weeks. Give it a try and watch the difference it makes in your or your loved one's life.